This is just a farm tour. Hope you like my intro video. Let's get right to the farm tour. There's my farm dog Sunday and my farm rabbit Little Man and my 3 free-range ducks, which they go up at night, but they're free-range in the daytime. And there's their pool, and this is our backyard, as you can probably tell. But first, let me just walk y'all on inside this pen. I wasn't gonna go inside because I don't know, he might jump up on me and knock the camera out of my hand, but there he is, guys. And there's Jolene. And I'll take you over here to see the pig, just so he don't knock it out of my hand. She's over in here. That's a little barn to get in. I call it barn. It's been here for 40 years. Papa built it, that passed away, so yeah, it's been here a long time. And I got chickens everywhere. They're free roaming, so like you probably won't be able to see all of them today. They're free ranging. But either way it goes, this is the chicken coop and everything about it. Yeah, this is the backyard and the front yard. And that's the goats. And let's go right up here and see the fig tree. There's my little farm lawnmower and Sunday's doghouse and everything. And let's just show y'all the front yard. There's the 2 guineas, Benny and Winnie. They're male and female. There's the front yard. There's the little puppy that everybody probably wants to see, and 2 of the little one of the baby guineas. Yep, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you do, please like and subscribe. Go check out Wyatt's Life and Orange Family Homestead. Have a blessed day.